Today I will be showing you how to make guacamole from scratch. First thing you need to do is have all the ingredients ready. You will need salt, avocado, tomato, a lime, onion, and cilantro. The first step you need to do when making guacamole is to cut the onion in half. Then you will take one of those halves and dice the onion. Once you have diced half of the onion, then you will put that in a bowl. Any kind of mixing bowl will do. And you will take the lime, cut that in half, and squeeze that lemon juice out over the onion and let it sit. Next, what you will do is you will cut the tomato also in half and then dice it. Once you have diced a whole tomato, then you will add that to the bowl. Once you're done with that procedure with the tomato, then you will take half of the cilantro, and again you will cut the cilantro into small pieces and add that to the bowl. Alright, as you see here in the back, we have already added the cilantro to the bowl, and we're going to continue with our avocado. To cut the avocado, go ahead and cut around the avocado, and you see here that I have half of the avocado. What you want to do is also dice that. So cut across and cut up and down. Here's an example for you. Once you have done that, you will take the avocado, that half of the avocado in your hand, and you're going to put a spoon closest to the shell, between the shell and the avocado, and you're just going to go round and round and round until you can get the avocado out. Make sure you do that with both of the avocado pieces. You will also need to add salt. I add about 1 teaspoon of salt. And now what you have to do is just mix all the ingredients together. Take a spoon and just mix, mix, mix. I'm putting in a nice presentable bowl here, and just add the chips to make it look nicer, and enjoy.